In 1990, after over 13 years of service, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit by the crewed Space Shuttle Discovery. However, shortly after deployment, it was discovered that the telescope's lens had an optical flaw, causing images to be blurry. It was an unexpected catastrophe. Critics pointed out the errors, and the Hubble project was on the brink of failure. Instead of giving up, scientists and engineers devised a rescue plan. In December 1993, the crew of the Endeavour shuttle launched a new instrument called Corrective Optics Space Telescope Axial Replacement, COSTAR, designed to correct the optical flaw. After the installation of COSTAR and other corrections, the Hubble became one of the most crucial tools for observing the cosmos. Since then, it has provided countless fascinating data, including deep space images that have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. This true story illustrates how human perseverance and determination can turn failure into a triumph of scientific discovery, allowing for the continuation of unraveling the cosmic mysteries.